Google Gemini new free updates are insane. Gemini now translates live in your headphones. You can share premium AI with 5 people for free. And your browser tabs can turn into actual apps. This is going to change everything. Okay, so Google just went absolutely insane with these Gemini updates. And I'm not talking about small stuff. I'm talking about features that actually change how you use AI every single day. Let me show you what just dropped. First thing, translation just got stupid good. Google Translate now runs on Gemini, and this isn't your old Google Translate that gives you weird robot words. This is natural, like talking to a real person. The AI understands context now, it gets tone, it gets what you actually mean, not just word-for-word translation. This is huge because most translation tools sound fake, but Gemini makes it sound like how people actually talk. But here's where it gets insane. They added live speech to speech translation, and it's in beta right now. What does that mean? You put on any headphones you already own, and you can have real-time conversations in 70 different languages. Think about that. You're traveling, someone speaks a language you don't know, you both put on headphones, and you just talk. The AI translates everything live. Both ways, it even keeps the tone and cadence. So it sounds natural, not robotic. This is like having a professional translator in your pocket. But it's free, and it works with any headphones you already have. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now let me tell you about the sharing feature, because this one is wild. If you have Google AI Pro, you can now share your plan with 5 people. You just add them, and they get full access to the premium AI models. You split it with your team or your family. Everyone gets Gemini 3 Pro. Everyone gets the advanced features. This is insane value. And if you don't want to share your main account, you can give people a 4-month free trial instead. So you can let people try the best AI models. This makes premium AI accessible to way more people. But wait, there's more. And this is where it gets really interesting for power users. Google just launched something called Disco. It's a new AI playground on the web. And the first feature is called GenTabs. This is crazy. You know how you have a bunch of browser tabs open? GenTabs takes those tabs and remixes them into custom web apps. Using Gemini 3, let me say that again, your tabs become apps. You're researching something, you have 10 tabs open. GenTabs turns all that into a working application, customized for what you're doing. This is next level productivity, because instead of jumping between tabs, you have one unified workspace built by AI in seconds. Okay, here's something for the content creators and marketers. There's a tool called Pomeli, and they just added an animate feature. What does it do? You take your brand content, your static images, your designs, and it animates them using Veo 3.1, which is Google's video AI model. So now you can turn still images into animated videos automatically. No video editing skills needed. The AI does it for you. This is massive for social media, for ads, for any kind of visual content, because video performs way better than static images. And now the AI just makes the videos for you. Now, if you want to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Gemini, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We cover all these tools, we give you the exact processes, and you get to see how other businesses are using Gemini and other AI tools to grow faster. The link is in the description. And trust me, if you're serious about using AI in your business, this is where you want to be. And if you're using Mixboard, they just shipped a bunch of new features. You can now do portfolio presentations using Nano Banana Pro, which is one of the new Gemini models. You can work on multi-board projects, so bigger, more complex work, and they added support for way more file types. This makes Mixboard way more powerful for creators who want AI integrated into their whole workflow. You're not just making one thing, you're building entire projects, and the AI helps with all of it. There's something called Doppel. It's a fashion try on AI, and they just made it way better. Now you get a personalized recommendations feed, so the AI learns your style and shows you clothes that actually match what you like, or you can shop looks directly. Just click and buy. And there's a collections feature, so you can save looks you want to try later. This is cool because AI is getting really good at understanding style, and now it can help you shop without you having to browse forever. The AI just shows you what works for you. Now let's talk about the developer stuff, because this matters even if you're not a developer. There's a tool called Jules Agent, and it now predicts and fixes tasks before you even ask. That's proactive AI. It's not waiting for you to tell it what to do. It's looking ahead, seeing what needs to happen, and doing it. Then there's Stitch by Google, and it now supports build-in with Gemini 3. So developers can integrate the newest AI models into their apps. And there's something called the Gemini Deep Research Agent. You can access it through the Interactions API. What does that mean? You can embed AI research capabilities into your own tools, so the AI can do deep research for you automatically inside whatever app you're building. And here's why this matters to you. Even if you're not building apps, when developers get better tools, the apps you use get better, the AI features you rely on get smarter. So all these developer updates mean the tools you use every day are about to get way more powerful. That's the real benefit here. Google also launched 2 new benchmark tools, and these are important. The first one is called Deep Search QA. It's open source, and it evaluates how good AI agents are at web research, so we can actually measure if the AI is finding good information or if it's just making stuff up. The second one is called the Facts Benchmark Suite. This is the first comprehensive way to evaluate factuality. It checks internal knowledge, it checks grounding, it checks multimodal stuff. Basically, it measures how real the AI's answers are. And why does this matter? Because AI that checks itself is AI you can actually trust. These benchmarks mean Google is being transparent about how accurate their models are, and that's huge for anyone using AI for real work. And here's what most people miss. Google is in a full-on AI war with OpenAI. OpenAI just launched GPT 5.2 after what they called a code red push. They're trying to counter Google's Gemini 3. This competition is insane, and you know what that means? Both companies are going to keep dropping better features, faster updates, more free stuff, because they're fighting for users. And that's amazing for us because we get better AI tools. So what should you actually do with all this? Start with the translation feature. If you travel, if you work with international clients, if you're learning a language, this is a game changer. Test it out. See how good it really is. Then if you have Google AI Pro, set up that sharing plan, get your team on it, or give someone that 4-month trial. Let them experience premium AI. And if you're a power user, try GenTabs. See if turning your tabs into apps actually saves you time. My guess is it will, especially if you're doing research or managing multiple projects. For creators, try Pomeli and Mixboard. See if the AI can actually make your content workflow faster. And if you're in fashion or e-commerce, check out Doppel. The personalization might surprise you. The point is, don't just watch videos about this stuff. Actually use it. That's where the real value is. That's where you figure out what actually helps your business or your life. Now, if you want to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Gemini, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We cover all these tools. We give you the exact processes, and you get to see how other businesses are using Gemini and other AI tools to grow faster. The link is in the description. And trust me, if you're serious about using AI in your business, this is where you want to be. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. We break down every major AI update. We show you exactly how to use these tools, and you get to learn from thousands of other people who are already getting results. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.